Hello students. In the first part, we were discussing about words and briefly about phrases. Here, we are going to study about sentences. Let us see what is a sentence. All of you open your notebook and get ready for the class. A word is a single distinct meaningful unit of a sentence. Now, sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Whatever we speak in our daily life are sentences. There are different types of sentences we use daily. Let us see few examples. I am reading English. Are you learning grammar? Hooray, it is holiday for us. Attend your online class. Have you noticed any difference in all these four sentences? One thing you have to remember is every sentence begins with a capital letter and an ordinary sentence ends with a full stop. So while writing a sentence, you have to be very careful about it. Okay? There are four kinds of sentences. They are declarative or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. A sentence that declares or states something is called assertive or declarative sentence. Let us see some examples for assertive or declarative sentences. The sun rises in the east. He is a clever boy. I like to draw pictures. We watched a film yesterday. This is a beautiful place. Our schools are closed. Summer is horrible this year. I am growing vegetables in my garden. We should follow the rules of our country. They are my best friends. Now, write your own 10 examples for assertive sentences in your notebook. ഏതൊരു സാധാരണ വാക്യത്തെയും നമുക്ക് ഡിക്ലറേറ്റീവ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ assertive സെൻറ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. Now let us move on to interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ചോദിക്കുന്ന സെൻറ്റൻസിനെയാണ് interrogative sentence എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. An interrogative sentence begins with question words like who, which, what, where, why, how, when, whom, whose, and also with auxiliary words like am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, etc. Now let us write few examples for interrogative sentences. Who is your headmaster now? Where are you coming from? Why are you gloomy today? When is your birthday? Which is that book you are reading? How will you solve this problem? When is your online class? What's the matter? Am I looking sick? Are you returning from the airport? Do we have special class today? Have you had your lunch? Modal auxiliaries like can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, etc. can also be used for making questions. Do this assignment in your notebook. Let us study imperative sentence. Sentences which express order, request, command, etc. are called imperative sentences. ആജ്ഞ, അപേക്ഷ, അഭ്യർത്ഥന, കൽപ്പന പോലെയുള്ള സെൻറ്റൻസുകളെയാണ് ഇമ്പറേറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസുകൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഗിവ് മീ എ സ്മൈൽ, ലീവ് ഇറ്റ്, ഗെറ്റ് ഔട്ട്, ഡോണ്ട് മൂവ്, ഗെറ്റ് മീ എ ഗ്ലാസ് ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ, ഗെറ്റ് ലോസ്റ്റ്, ഷട്ട് ദ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഡോർ, ഡോണ്ട് സ്മോക്ക് ഹിയർ, പ്ലീസ് ഗിവ് മീ വൺ മോർ ചാൻസ്, സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ഇറ്റ്, ക്രോസ് ദ റോഡ് കെയർഫുള്ളി, പ്ലീസ് ഡോണ്ട് ഡു ദിസ്, ക്ലീൻ ദ വൈറ്റ് ബോർഡ്, ഫോളോ ദ റൂൾസ്, help her, don't forget to make a call, no smoking here. Now write 10 imperative sentences of your own in your notebook. It is easy to remember imperative sentence because it is a type of sentence that tells you what to do. And in an imperative sentence, the subject is always you and is usually left out. See the example, brush your teeth. It is actually you brush your teeth. Keep the mobile down. It is actually you keep the mobile down. The fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong or sudden feeling is called exclamatory sentence, and it is usually followed with an exclamation mark. Example, what a beautiful day. Where do you come from? Alas, he failed. How clever she is. You are late. What a shame. What a lovely book. The film released today is great. Just remember, an exclamatory sentence is simply a more forceful version of a declarative sentence marked at the end with an exclamation mark. You can put exclamatory mark after the exclamatory words like alas, surprise, wow, yahoo, ouch, brilliant, amazing, bravo, fantastic, tremendous, etc. Or if the exclamation point applies to the sentence as a whole, then place it at the very end of the sentence. I think now you understood what is an exclamatory sentence. Sentences that expresses strong and sudden feelings such as surprise, wonder, pity, sympathy, happiness or gratitude. Everything comes under exclamatory sentence. സന്തോഷം, സങ്കടം, ആശ്ചര്യം, ദയ, അത്ഭുതം, നന്ദി, ദേഷ്യം എന്നിവയൊക്കെ പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന സെൻറ്റൻസുകളെയാണ് എക്സ്ക്ലമേറ്ററി സെൻറ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്.
Hey, the class is over.